Hello, I'm Cynthia from Locksley Distilling Company. Welcome to our cocktail series. Today I'm going to be making a Raspberry and Rose Martinez. So obviously I'm going to be starting with Sir Robin of Locksley Real Raspberry and Cardamom Gin. I'm going to use 60 milliliters or a double measure. And we're pouring it into a mixing glass as opposed to a shaker because it doesn't have any syrups or citrus or any other juices, so it gets stirred instead of shaken. Then I'm going to use 20 milliliters of a high quality sweet vermouth. Normally I would use Otto's because it has a lovely rose flavor to it. Today I'm using Antica formula, so in addition to that I will add some rose water. A couple of dashes of rose water. And then 5 milliliters of a Maraschino Liqueur. And it is pronounced Maraschino, not Maraschino, because in Italian, CH is pronounced K, and a C in front of a soft vowel is pronounced Ch, like limoncello. It doesn't have a CH. All right, and that's everything. I'm gonna get some ice in. And give that a stir until it's nice and chilled. When you're stirring a cocktail, you don't want the ice to rattle around in the glass. You're not scooping it. You're just bringing the spoon around the outside. Just want to get it chilled and slightly diluted. And dilution is not a bad thing. A lot of times people hear the word dilution and they think it's going to be watered down. Ice is actually an ingredient in a cocktail. You do want a certain amount of water to balance out the rest of the flavors in the cocktail. And this is going to get strained into a pre-chilled Nick Nora glass. Lovely. And garnished with maraschino cherry. If you can get your hands on the Luxardo maraschino, those are probably the best there are. I'm just going to pop one of those right into the glass. And there is your Raspberry and Rose Martinez. Cheers.